Did your Twitter account get deactivated? Don't worry, I will show you how to reactivate it quickly. First, open the Twitter app or go to Twitter website. Now, enter your username, email or phone number along with your password. Next, tap on login button to continue. If your account is eligible, Twitter will automatically start the reactivation process. In some cases, you may need to confirm by clicking Reactivate or verifying your details. You can only reactivate your account within 30 days of deactivation. After that, it may be permanently deleted. And that's it. Your Twitter account should now be back. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tips.